Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Mawanda Edmond, LMS Administrator and Head of ICT at Uganda Technical College Lira. I want to inform you students that beginning next semester, the college will adopt a blended learning approach. This combines face-to-face instruction with online learning through our e-learning system. This means that learning materials, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and other academic activities will be accessed online. So to help us prepare for this transition, I have made this video to guide you through the process of logging in to the UTC Lira system for the first time. I hope by the end of this video, you will be able to access your student account, see the courses you're enrolled in, and later on, we shall see how we can move around the system. So straight away, let me show you how we do this. Step number 1, you'll open any browser on your device, okay, whether it is your phone or laptop. Just open any browser, and then in the address bar here, in the address bar, type this address, okay, https :/, okay, elearning.utclira.ac.ug, and then press enter. Okay, so when you press enter, this is the interface you will see. Next, on this interface, you're able to see these courses, but you cannot access any if you clicked there. So we now need to log in. Okay, so at the top right corner here, you should be able to see the login button. Click login, then enter your username and password. Now, I made a list of all your usernames and passwords, and I shared in your different WhatsApp groups. If you're not able to, if you cannot remember your username or password, please contact your class coordinator or contact me through my email or WhatsApp number. I'm sure most of us have. Alternatively, just link up with any member of the ICT department and you'll be helped. So we enter our username. I'm assuming that is my username. And then the password as indicated in your list for the details. Okay. So I enter that and I click login. Oops, wrong name. This, then the password is that. Good. Okay. So once you're here, because the other password is default, you will be asked to change it. So the current password is the password we've just entered. I enter that, and then I put a new password. So put a new password of your choice. Please make sure you enter a password that you can easily remember. Okay, and then we say good. Okay, so we are now here. Password has been changed. Click continue. Okay, so we are almost done. Now this is our profile. You're able to see your name, your email address. Now if you have any detail you want to change, you can do it from here. If you want to upload a profile pic, additional names, you want to enter your ID number, etc. But for now, I'm not handling that. But what is most important is the gender. So you enter your gender. This is male. Now, whenever you see this red mark here, it means that field is required. So I update. Good. Okay, so now if you're here, it means you've successfully logged into your system. When you click home, you should be able to see the courses you're enrolled in. So I think this student must be doing a civil related course. So thank you so much. In case you have any issue, please contact the ICT department or simply go through your coordinator. Our WhatsApp contacts and emails are in your different WhatsApp groups. So please make sure you like this video, share it to your colleagues, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important updates.